look at tally marks, okay? What do you think these two tally charts are about? Hint, look at the titles. So, we have this chart about favorite ice cream, and we have a chart about the shoes that we wear. Now, do you see these lines right here? Do you see these lines?
Oh, yeah?
These things right here are called tally marks.
What's tally mark?
We're going to learn just what tally marks are, okay?
I don't know what tally mark are.
Landon, I need you to raise your hand, okay? Thank you. So, we're going to go to the next page and read about what tally marks are. Tally charts help us keep track of information or votes. So when I say votes, I'm going to say, let's make a little chart right here. And we're going to decide what ice cream is better, chocolate or vanilla.
A nice
Chocolate, vanilla. So if I call on Deleza, Deleza, do you like chocolate or vanilla more? Vanilla. Point for vanilla. Cadence, do you like chocolate or vanilla? Eli, do you like chocolate or vanilla? You're muted, my friend. Okay, try again. Try unmuting again, Eli. Vanilla. Cadence. Chocolate. So boys and girls, do you see these lines I'm putting on here? When we make tally charts, we make one tally for each vote. So every time somebody says, I like this one or I like this one, we put a line. So I like chocolate. Mason, what do you like? Vanilla. You see how I'm putting these lines? I'm going to have one more person share their vote. Cruz, thanks for raising your hand and sitting so patiently. So Cruz also likes vanilla. So, boys and girls, when we are making tally charts, we keep track with these little lines. Let's keep reading and find out what we do next. We draw a diagonal line for the fifth vote. So, what I mean by that is, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those lines are going up and down like this. But when we make a bundle, the fifth line goes across like this. So how many do I have? 5. Ready? I'm going to show you with red why it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we get to 5, boys and girls, we make a diagonal line, and it's called a bundle. What is it called?
Bundle.
Bundle. What's it called at home? First graders, what's it called? Go ahead and unmute. We say bundle. It's called a bundle. So, think of them as bundles of sticks. So, here's my question for you. Elijah, if I have 3, can I bundle it yet?
No.
So this is for Elijah. Elijah, if I have 3, can I bundle it yet? No. Can I bundle it now? I have 4. Can I bundle yet? Not yet. How many do I have to bundle? 5. So, I have how many right now? 4. Where does my fifth one go? Show me with your hand what I do. Show me with your hand. Good job. 5. Okay. This is the part where we need to make sure that we are paying really close attention and we're following directions, okay? I'm going to give you 10 seconds to get your whiteboard on your desk, your whiteboard marker, and your eraser. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I forgot what's next.
10.
Oh, 10. Okay. I'm looking around to see who's following directions. I love that nobody's drawing on their board. You're just showing me you're ready. So Layla looks great. Now we get to practice drawing tally marks. Remember, you need to bundle if we get to
4.
Uh-oh. We need to bundle if we get to
5.
So what is my number here?
3.
3. So Mason, do I bundle? No. Go ahead and draw me a 3. 3 tallies on your board. Hold it up so I can see. At home, hold up your 3 tallies so I can see. Beautiful job. Eli, hold it up. Adrian, hold it up. Paige, hold it up. Alakai, hold it up.
Oh my, how do you
I should see 3. Good job.
Teacher,
Yes.
I don't have a marker.
Do you have paper at home or you can just draw it with paper and a pencil? Okay, so if you don't have a marker, go ahead and use your finger and you can draw them like magic, okay? But make sure you're drawing exactly what I draw. Awesome. Elijah, can I have you hold it up? So I can see your 3? Oh, make sure you draw 3 tally marks just like this, Elijah. Awesome. 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 You guys are so smart. Okay. We're going to draw tally marks for the number 1. Go ahead and show me. 1.
Way fast.
That was so fast. Just 1, Deleza. Just 1. I should only see 1. We erase every time, so you should have erased. And we should only have a 1.
Oh, I know that. The guy with my 1.
Good job. All right, everyone. We are going to go to 6. Oh, is 6 greater than 5?
Yeah.
So what do I need to do when I get to 5?
Bundle.
What is it?
Bundle.
Bundle. So Miss Prince is going to show you what that means. Are you ready? I'll go slow. Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Number 5 has to do what? Bundle. 5. Do I stop? No, I have to go to 6. So look where number 6 goes. 6. It's over here by itself because it's going to start a new bundle. I don't want to put it in with these ones because it starts its new bundle by itself.
Wait, why?
That's just how the tally marks work. They stick together in groups of 5 like a bundle, and then the new group starts over here. So, can we draw 7?
No.
Yeah, we can do 7. Here we go. 1. At home, make sure you're doing it with me. 2. Keep them close and tight like a bundle. 3. 4. How does 5 go? Bundle. 5. 6. What's my last one? 7. Do you see how these 5 are in a bundle and these 2 are by themselves?
No. They're not happy.
They need more so that they can have a bundle. Okay, we're going to do 5. What does 5 look like? 1, 2, draw it like this, can't I?
No.
Okay, how do I have to draw it?
Like this.
Show me with your arm. Oh, like this?
Yeah. No.
Oh, I forgot. What do I have to do when I have a 5? Bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that? Awesome. Okay. Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. I have 10. Can we do it? Can we do it? Landon, question?
I did a bundle too.
So, are you in control of your marker? Or am I in control of your marker? You are in control of your marker. Show me that you can handle it, okay? Alright, so boards are cleared. We're going to do 10 together. Clear your board. Erase, 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 erase. Here we go. We're going to do 10. Ooh, 10's kind of tricky.
Yeah.
First graders at home, are you ready for 10? I know you can do it. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going to wait for Mason. Uh-oh. Okay, we're going to start over. I need to make sure all my friends are ready. Here we go.
I'm not ready yet. I will do it.
1, 2,
3, 4.
bundle.
5.
5. What comes after 5? 6. But he's over here. 7.
8.
10. What do we do?
Now they're happy.
Bundle.
Now they're happy.
Now they're happy. Look, we have 2 bundles. We have 5 here plus 5 here. How many do we have? 10 altogether. Awesome job. First graders at home, do you see that? 5.
With their mind.
A bundle of 5 and a bundle of 5. We have 10. Okay, erase your board. Erase your board. We have one more activity, and then we have a read aloud. A read aloud in math.
I totally don't know how to play.
Ooh, here we go. We have to match the number
Ooh.
to the bundle. Okay, here we go.
Okay. This is not a good
Ooh,
idea.
let's start with this one right here. I'm going to call on a friend at home to tell me how many. Remember, boys and girls, these are tally marks right now. It's not the number 11. These are tally marks. So you need to count how many tally marks. I would like to call on Adrian. Adrian, how many? Let's listen. How many? 2. Do you guys agree? 2. So I'm going to click on it. 2. You guys agree?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. I would like to know how many are right here, and I'm going to call in a friend in the classroom. Someone who's sitting super quietly in their chair and being really respectful of everyone around them. Paulina. How many? 4. Is this a 4?
No.
Is this a 4?
Yeah.
4. 4 tally marks. Okay, we're going to get trickier now. Make sure you count all of them. You need to make sure when you count that you're also counting this one that slants, okay? All right, this one's for somebody at home. How many? Raise your hand. Hayden. Hayden, how many? Make sure you count the slant one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, friends in the classroom right now that aren't letting you talk. So I'm going to ask them to have their voices off and let you go again. Cadence, how many? 5. So remember, just our bundle is 5, but I have one more right here. So 5 and one more. 6. Nice job, Cadence. So this is 5. And then we have one more. So we have 6. Nice job. Okay. Let's go to this one way up here. I'm going to call on somebody in the classroom. Remember, this counts as one of them. Make sure you don't leave out the bundle line. Let's see. I'm going to call on Nicholas. He says 8. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's so right. Nice job, Nicholas. 8. Okay, we have one more. Ooh, 2 bundles? We wrote that earlier. Alakai, how many are in this group right here? Right here. Ooh, I think you forgot to count this line and this line. Don't forget those 2 lines. Try again. You guys know it? Will you whisper it to me? All of you, will you whisper it to me? 10. That's what the class said too. Let's count and make sure. I'm going to use red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it 10? Nice job. It's 10. You guys did awesome. You get a star. Okay. It is time to put your whiteboard in your backpack, your marker in your backpack, everything in your backpack. Friends at home, go ahead and put your whiteboards away. Yes. We're almost done with math, and then we're going to go to writing. Yep, you get to keep that. Okay? All right, we have our read aloud. But this read aloud, boys and girls, has to do with math, and it has to do with tally marks. Let me show you. It's called Tally-O-Mally. What? Okay. Yes, Cruz. Yes, you may. Thank you for raising your hand and asking. Do you remember how to get there? Yep. Okay. So we go down all the way and then you turn. All right, buddy. Okay. Look at all you guys are so ready. Thank you for being ready. My story today is called Tally-O-Mally. Do you remember what those lines were called that we were writing?
Yeah.
Tally marks. So it must be about tally marks. Let's find out.
Why is it so hard?
By Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Cynthia Jafar.
Here we go.
The O'Malleys were ready to go on vacation. Almost ready, that is. Did you pack the beach towels? Asked Dad. Did you lock the back door? Asked Mom. Come on, Shamrock, get in, ordered Eric. pulling on the dog's leash. Can't find my sunglasses, said Nell. Bridget, everyone yelled. Hurry up, or we'll never get there.
Make sure your mask is over your nose and your mouth. Make sure your mask is on.
Finally, they were on their way. They had been on the road for almost 3 hours when Eric grumbled. Are we ever going to get there? Ick, Shamrock's breathing on me, said Bridget. I can't find my baseball hat, said Nell. Why don't we play a tally game? Asked Mom. First, they had to decide on something to count. Let's do cards, said Eric. He loved tally games because he almost always won. Okay, agreed Mom. Pick your colors. I'll take silver, said Eric. I'll take blue, said Bridget. How about you, Nell? Red, answered Nell. Red was her favorite color. Eric laughed. You always pick red. You never win, he said.
Oh, look at this tally mark.
Mom handed out paper and pencils. Do you remember how to play now? Asked Bridget. When you see a red card, you make a tally mark. Then make one for each red card you see. When you're up to 3, it will look like this. When you get to 5, you make a little bundle, so they're easy to count.
That's what we said.
This will be a 25-minute game, explained Mom. Ready, set, go. There's a silver one, said Eric immediately, and 2 more there. I see a blue one, said Bridget, and another one right behind. Ha, I see a red one, said Nell. No, there's another, said Dad. No helping, yelled Eric. Time's up, said Mom, just as they pulled into the rest stop for lunch. Dad took Shamrock for a walk while they counted up their tally marks. I win, shouted Eric. I always win. You get to wear the tally medal, said Mom. The medal was really a plastic shamrock that Dad had given the dog on her first birthday. You think you're that great, won Bridget? Tally O'Malley. The line for hamburgers was very long. I'm hungry, said Bridget. I want ice cream, said Nell. Can I play a video game? Asked Eric. Let's play another tally game, said Dad. We can't count cards here, said Bridget. Let's do t-shirts. Yellow, called Eric. Green, called Bridget. Red, called Nell. Eric laughed. Red never wins, he said. The line moved forward. An inch at a time, they counted every t-shirt they could see.
Whoa,
It's almost our turn, said Dad. Game's over. Add up your marks. I win, said Bridget. Mom took the shamrock medal from Eric and placed it around Bridget's neck. You won't have to tally medal for long, said Eric. Oh, yeah, Tally O'Malley? Bridget replied. Everyone was full after lunch. Eric, Bridget, and Nell slept most of the rest of the way to the beach. Finally, they arrived. They had just gone out of the car when they heard a train whistle in the distance. Let's count the train cars, said Eric. I picked the black ones. I'll take gray, said Bridget. Do you want red again, Nell? Yes, said Nell. It's my favorite. You never learn, said Eric. There's the engine, said Eric. It's black. One for me. No fair, said Bridget. An engine's not a car. A red car went by, then another, then another. The next car was red too, and the next one. The train rattled past. Finally, the caboose went by. It was red. There were hardly any black cars, said Eric. Or gray cars either, said Bridget. Let's see those tally sheets, said Mom. Nell wins. Bridget handed the shamrock medal to Nell. Then she noticed a sign near the tracks. Look at that, she said. That's why Nell won. Hey, Nell, that's not fair, said Eric. It seems fair to me, said Nell. So from now on, I want you to call me Tally O'Malley.